Ya kani kejingelang jongga Meghalaya Sports Conclave Arhajar Arpun Riau lapli du menteri rangba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Rangkat kejingedan lang menteri ketenat sports uba ubailat Miki Shilla ki head officer kino ilak kai bat kiwe kebelah syakot sengobha. Habakran kejingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kejingken show kejela hakika melak kai kedik belam da ketong kebayar bantai kejinglong bat kakabu na kebentai ki samla. Tang hakaban be ya keban yo ikita kema. Ulong ban ki babon ki jing bat ki kabu ki bami ni ki jing tas ngothok bagi samla ke jela ki dan hapdeng ke jing bat ke mensiam jong ke ke bak sarkar ka kwa ban kenjo bak di gelentiyat ke basdang haki kamel akai baro ki kwa ke takma angnut ban bagi kurta kema hiru hagi ke lempung akai ndai ke ni ke jing temu ke bakat do Ula banjur ba ke jing temu ka ba kham he kalong ban penlong i kamel akai kum gerukom bat ban penti kena bagi jingil akai kirap ban penwandor ke lawai bat penwandor ke jinglong je iwei samla ke jela Ulaong ba ke pulih putih kedang yai long ke jing anrai ulaong pat ba ke sarkar suki pasuki kelayat ke lenti ke badai ha ke ban si ke jing kelah ke pulih putih bat ula penpau ba khat pralak kidai ke ba po arpos nem gerta kebamut basan po nak sispa nak inong shong shnong kidai ki bahapo kerta ke ba arpos nem halor kejing temu ban penlong ya ke national games Konrad Kongkal sang mau ulong ba mentai ke jela kum ke Meghalaya ban po asni ho ke ban penlong kat ya ke national games kladai lupa kejing job ya ke jela bat ke pensyai ba kani ke lempung kam dai tang ke wei ke lempung kedai shibenta jong ke project ke belapen kreat bat bela perkhat ba ban jam saprang.
It's given me immense pleasure to welcome you to the Meghalaya Sports Conclave 2026. Today is not just another conference on sports. It is a gathering of ideas, innovation and commitment at a time when Meghalaya stands on the threshold of history. In less than a year, our state will proudly host the national game. This is more than a sporting event. It is an opportunity to showcase our Meghalaya hospitality, culture, infrastructure, talent and aspiration before the entire nation. Over the past few years, we have witnessed unprecedented investment in sport infrastructure, athlete development, grassroots programs and youth development. Today, Meghalaya is increasingly being recognized as a sporting state with immense potential.
And therefore, this entire journey of trying to really restructure and reposition ourselves and take us towards that goal and vision that we have, which we envisioned that it would be in the next maybe 15 years' time, we'll get there. This long journey started for us. And out of the many challenges we saw and the opportunities that came out of those challenges, we realized that the youth of our state is at the center and at the heart of what we want to achieve. And that's how our journey for sports began. It's not just about medals. Obviously, we all want medals. We wish to see that we win medals in games. That is obviously the ultimate objective. But for us as a government and for me as Chief Minister, every citizen and every youth is important when I create a policy. And therefore, making sports a part of every youth's life. And maybe some will be able to achieve the goal of getting medals at the national and hopefully at the international level also. I think from the larger perspective, what is important is to be able to make sports a way of life and to ensure that sports helps us shape the future and shape the overall character of every single youth of our state. So therefore, sports plays a very crucial role for us as a government. And we realize that our decisions cannot and must not be simply based on only one aspect of winning a medal. Vishnay Kurba is here. He is the first one to get the official appointment letter based on our policy that we have created. But it is not that appointment letter alone that can lead us to winning the medals or in fact taking the sports ecosystem forward. That is only the last point or one of the final achievements or goals that maybe the sports person may have. But there is a lot of work that needs to go into creating what we're trying to do. And therefore, it was important for us, as I said, that our policies, our decisions were guided by the youth in front of us.